Hello all, Tony here. US equity markets appear poised to snap a 5 week losing streak following a solid rebound in the first half of this week. Whether they can hang on to those gains into the weekend remains to be seen after President Trump's address today was less dovish than expected. Turning to the local market, the ASX 200 is poised to finish this holiday shortened week around 1% higher, hoping to have put the bruising Ides of March behind it. However, fresh headwinds are brewing for the local index. Corporate Australia is expected to soon step forward with updated guidance on demand, pricing, and activity, reflecting the impact of the recent energy shock, rising interest rates, and looming supply chain disruptions. Looking ahead to next week, headlines from the Middle East will once again dominate, with the market still desperate for clues around when the Strait of Hormuz will open. Away from geopolitics, there will be interest in inflation figures out of both China and the US, as well as the US Services PMI. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more market updates next week.